Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by removing easy access. Log out and delete saved passwords so checking requires effort. Once done, mute, unfollow, or block to stop accidental exposure. Make sure notifications are off. Next, install an app or browser blocker and set it for a fixed window, 30 or 90 days, so you get uninterrupted space. This combination reduces friction and visible cues. By creating small barriers and an initial blackout window, you interrupt the habitual loop immediately and prepare for deeper work. You will face urges, plan concrete replacements. When impulse hits, do a 5 to 10 minute walk or breathing set instead. This clears cortisol and resets focus. Once done, move to a pre-made distraction list. Call one friend, read a single article, or engage a hobby for 20 minutes. Choosing an activity before the urge happens short-circuits automatic checking. Make journaling a habit. Record the time, emotion, and the action you chose. Over time, this data shows patterns and empowers better choices. You finalize progress by building maintenance habits. Set a weekly review to celebrate wins, adjust blocker lengths, and tweak replacement routines. If you relapse, don't self-shame. Tighten exposure controls immediately. Extend blocks, change passwords, and involve an accountability buddy who can check in. Make sure to escalate if urges persist. Talk to a therapist or join a support group to address underlying attachment patterns. The goal is steady reduction. Small course corrections keep you moving forward and prevent.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.